Posting every day but still getting no views? Your content is not the problem, like your SEO strategy is. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to rank your content on Google, YouTube, and social media in 2026. Welcome to Penate Production, where we help you grow with smart content and powerful strategies. Today, I'm breaking down a simple but powerful SEO strategy that actually works right now. This strategy isn't just about keywords. It's about understanding the 2026 algorithms. Let's dive right into step number 1. SEO starts with one thing, keywords, but not just any keywords. You need searchable keywords. Go to YouTube or Google and type your topic. Look at the suggestions. That is what people are searching for. Example, instead of social media tips, use social media growth strategy 2026. More specific equals less competition and much higher ranking. Now optimize your content like a pro. Step 2 is about the metadata. Your title should grab attention, plus include your primary keyword. Your description should explain your content, and your tags should support your topic. Pro tip, use your keyword in the first 3 seconds of your video, because platforms are now listening to your content to categorize it. SEO is not just keywords anymore, it's about how long people watch your content. If people leave early but you won't rank, it's that simple. So keep viewers hooked, use pattern interrupts, add captions, and change visuals every 3 to 5 seconds. The longer they watch, the higher the algorithm will rank you. Want to go viral? Then you need engagement. This is the fuel for your growth. Ask simple questions like, which strategy are you using? Or comment yes if you want more tips. The more people interact, the more the algorithm pushes your content to new audiences. SEO is not one video, it's consistency. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Post at least 3 to 5 times per week and follow trends, but add your own unique value. Consistency plus strategy equals growth. Stick to the plan. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe for more growth strategies. And comment SEO. I'll send you a free content strategy idea right now. Let's grow together with Penate Productions. See you in the next one.